Streetlights guiding me, they show me the way. Oh, 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 take my hand, I'll lead you home.
Dear Allie, I cannot believe this day is finally here. After years of planning, I finally get to marry a cute girl I met at Michigan 7 years ago. You are my best friend, my travel buddy, my concert partner, my co-conspirator in life, and now today, finally, proudly add my wife.
We sing, we live, we love tonight. Let's run from the dawn before it knows we're gone. We dance, we sing, we live, we love tonight.
Mike, you and I both know how indecisive I can be at times, but there's one decision in my life that I did not hesitate on, and it was saying yes to your proposal of spending the rest of our lives together. But most of all, I promise to never forget this is a once-in-a-lifetime kind of love, and because words cannot do it, I vow to show you every day for the rest of our lives just how much I love you.
I love you.
Let's get lost, ignore the signs. Streets of black and white. Let's come in these lines. Oh, oh,
I, Michael, take you, Allison, to be my wife.
I, Allison, take you, Michael, to be my husband,
I promise to be faithful to you, in good times and in bad,
in sickness and in health, to love you and to honor you
all the days of my life.
all the days of my life.
turn down the lights tonight. Moon's our night. We dance, we sing, we live, we love tonight. Let's run from the dawn before.
I'd like to welcome Allie and the rest of the Dunbars to our family. If everyone could please raise a glass to Mike and Allie.
We love tonight.
Mr. and Mrs. Michael Proppy, we all look forward to watching your marriage flourish over the years to come and your friendship continue to grow. We love you. Cheers.
I'd like to propose a toast to Mike and Allie, to all the love in this room right now, and as my grandpa Rosman liked to say, to a good party.
To the new official couple, Mr. and Mrs. Michael Proppy, here's to all you have to look forward to tomorrow, and we hope you enjoy the excitement you feel today the rest of your lives. And may your love for each other continue to grow through all that you will encounter. We love you both.